Good evening everyone, I am Ashwni Kumar. This is a question from functions and this is a previous year question of 2023. So let us first read the question. What the question says, let GIF of alpha, that means greatest integer function of alpha, denote the greatest integer less than or equal to alpha. Okay, that means it is the symbol of greatest integer function. Then it is asking the value of greatest integer of root 1, greatest integer of root 2, greatest integer of root 3 till greatest integer of root 120. Okay. So it is actually asking the sum of all these numbers. So how we will proceed? Okay. The first thing that should come to our mind is that we will calculate the starting few terms greatest integer value, and after that we will try to identify a pattern. And most probably or definitely there should be a pattern, because it won't ask manually to add all these numbers. So there will be a pattern, we will decode it and finally we will solve it. So what to do is, let us say root under 1, greatest integer of root under 1, it will be equal to 1. Greatest integer of root 2, what is the value of root 2? 1.414. So what it is saying? 1.414, greatest integer value is 1. Okay. Greatest integer less than or equal to alpha. Okay, I have taught already the meaning of greatest integer function. Now root under 3, what is the value of root 3? 1.732. So its greatest integer will also come to be 1. Okay. Now root 4, it will come as 2. Okay, so let me write it this side. I want to identify a pattern. So root 4 is equal to 2, root 5 is equal to again 2, root 6 will be again 2, because it will be something 2.a, root 7, root 8, these both will be again 2. Okay, and root 9, greatest integer of root 9 will come out to be 3. Okay. Now till from 9 till root under 15. Okay, till root under 15 it will come out to be 3. That means how many elements are here? Here are 7 elements. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 7 elements. Now see, can we identify a pattern? Here there are 3 elements. How many elements are there? 3. Here how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 elements are there. Here how many elements are there? 7 elements are there. So we can clearly see that every time the number is getting increased by 2. Okay. So what will be the number of elements when it will be the root under 120? Okay. So what is the value of greatest integer function root 120? It is equal to 121. The root of 121 is equal to 11. So root of 120 will be equal to something 10 point something, and its greatest integer, that means it is equal to 10. Okay, it is equal to 10. So we can calculate its value. I need the value as 10. The first value that is coming is 1, second value is 2, third is 3. Similarly, I want to know the value of that should come as 10. Okay, I want to know that which term will be this 10th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. I want to actually know that what will be the number of elements. What will be the number of elements in this series? I want to know this. So see, for 1 the number of element was 3. The number of element was 3, or I should write it down below the page. It should be, I should create for the value 3, the value not 3 value 1, for the value 1, the number of elements, okay. So how many elements were there whose value was 1? 3. Now for the value 2, how many elements was there? 5. For the value 3, how many elements were there? 7. So similarly for the value 10, how many elements will be there? This is an arithmetic progression and we want to find the 10th element of this AP, okay, the 10th element of this AP. So what will be T10, that means the 10th term will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. I hope you all will be knowing the formula for the nth term of arithmetic progression. So this is 3 plus n minus 1 into D. What is n? 10. 10 minus 1 into the common difference, that is 2. If you are not familiar with this formula, then you are advised to go through the arithmetic progression and its formulas. So from here I can write it 3 plus 18, that is equal to 21, okay. So in the last there will be 21 elements. Now what it is asking us to solve? It is asking us to sum each and everything, okay. It is asking us to sum each and everything. See, if I go back to the question, what it is saying, 1, 2, 3 plus 3, 4, 5. Similarly, these 3 terms value is 1, okay. Next is 2, next is 3, like this. So we want to add each and everything. So what I need to do here is, I want to know the value of 1 into 3 plus 2 into 5. Why I am doing this? Because there are 3 elements having value 1. So the effective value is 3 into 1. There are 5 elements having value 2. So the effective value is 10. Similarly, I want to get the sum till 10 into 21, okay. 10 into 21, that means 10 elements are there. Now if I want to write the general, see, this is not any arithmetic progression or geometric progression. So how do we solve this kind of summations? I think you would have studied in the topic of sequences and series, okay. So I can write the rth term from here. What will be the rth term? Rth term will be, see, 1 into 2 plus 1, 2 into 2 plus 1, 10 into 2 plus 1, okay. So r into 2r plus 1, I can write like this, the rth term, that means tr, r into 2r plus 1. If you suppose the value 1 here, 1 into 3, 2 here, 2 into 5, like this. Now I want to sum this, okay. Now I want to sum this from n is equal to 1 to 10, because there are 10 elements, okay. So what I will be getting here? Summation n is equal to, or r is equal to, here we should write r, not n. R is equal to 1 to 10, and this is 2r square plus r, okay, 2r square plus r. Now I hope that you would be familiar with these formulas. If summation n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6, okay. Summation r square, r is from 1 to n, okay. Similarly, for summation of r, where it is r is equal to 1 to n, we can write it as r into r plus n into n plus 1 by 2. So here we will be using these two formulas and we will be calculating it. So the first term will be 2 into r plus 1, 2r plus 1 upon 6, okay, and we need to put the value of r as 10, okay. So we need to, if we will put the value of 10 here, then it will become 2 into 10 plus 1 11 plus 20, sorry, not plus, 21 upon 6. And what will be the next term? The next term will be something like this, r into r plus 1 by 2, and I need to put the value of r as 10. Okay, so here I need to put the value of r as 10, and here also I need to put the value of r as 10. So if I will write this like this, 10 into 11 by 2. So upon simplification, this will yield 3, 7, 70 and 11. Okay, that means 770 and plus 55. So 825 will be the answer. Okay, 825 will be the answer. Okay, so this will be the solution to this particular question. So I think that you might have understood what this question was asking, and it was a good question. Okay, because it involved the concept of functions as well as the concept of sequences and series. So I hope that you would have liked this video. In case if you do have any doubt, then feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you.